Please all stand, class. Mara, kindly lead the prayer. Good morning, class. All right, class, before you take your seat, kindly pick up all the scattered pieces of paper on the floor and arrange your chairs properly. Class monitor, is there anyone who is absent for today? Oh, very good. We have a perfect attendance for today. Remember, everything is graded here, even your attendance and your behavior. So yesterday, I gave you an assignment, right? So kindly bring out all your assignment and pass it forward, then sideward. Thank you. Okay, now everybody sit properly and all eyes in front. What did we discuss yesterday? Yes, Adina. Very good. We talked about intonation. Now, can anyone tell me what intonation means? People at the back. Yes, Ferdy? Very good, Furley. So that's what we meant by intonation. Now, who can give me the types of intonation? Yes, Jay? Very good. So we have the rising and falling intonation. Now, class, many times the messages we want to convey aren't clearly received or understood because of the manner we say them. Especially so when conversations are carried out in monologues. So in that case, what should you do in order to be understood by someone who is listening to you? Anyone? Who has an idea? Yes, Krishna? Very well said, my dear Krishna. Okay, very good. Now, class, all eyes in front, and let us read the set of words. Repeat after me. Set A. Upgrade. Misprint. Contract. Set B. Horizon. Competitive. Kinetics. Set C. Comprehension. Politician. Energetic. Very good. Now take a look at the set of words, class. How did you read the words? Did your voice rise? Absolutely. Now, in what syllable did your voice rise in set A? Anyone? Yes, Teresa? Very good. How about in set B? Joshua? That is right. And in set C? Yes, Giselle. Absolutely. Now, what do you call the syllable where your voice rise? Okay, next. Very good, Pearly. That is what we call word stress. And that is gonna be our lesson for today. You will learn how to improve your pronunciation. Okay, now since we're talking about word stress, what do you mean by word stress? Okay, everybody, eyes in front, and let's read let me hear from you, Darlene. Mhm. Okay, very good, Darlene. Thank you very much. So remember, class, a stress is a relative emphasis or relative force in a certain syllable or word. Always remember that a stress can only be, or a word can only be stressed in vowels and not consonants. And remember also that the symbol for stress is what we call an apostrophe. Okay? So I will give you a moment to write this on your notebooks and tell me if you're done writing. Are you done copying? All right. You know, class, there are 4 basic rules that will help you stress the right syllable. Stress is something that is very important in English. So, in order to produce the correct stress, we are going to use a rubber band, which is a readily available tool. So, we're going to stretch the rubber band in order to know the correct or right stressed syllable. But class, let me just remind you that you are not allowed to shoot this to any of your classmates. So, Zon, no matter how angry you are to Janica, do not ever attempt to shoot this at her. Is it clear, class? Okay, very good. Now, group leaders, please come in front and kindly distribute the rubber bands to your group mates. Do all of you have your rubber bands now? Okay, so let's start. I want you to take a look in front and follow me. Okay, everybody read. Permit. Record. Increase. Transfer. Discount. Now, let's try to use our rubber bands. Permit. Record. Increase. Transfer. Discount. Very good. Now, take a look at the following words, class, and tell me what part of speech is used in each word. Anyone? Yes, Janica? Very good. How about the number of syllables that are used in the following words? Yes, Furley. That is right, Furley. And my last question about this one. In what syllable are the words stress in each word. Yes? Okay, very good. So, how about if I ask you, okay, what would be the rule for rule number 1? Anyone? I want to hear from the people at the back. Yes, AJ? Very good, AJ. Now, class and row number 1, please take a look at the rule. And I want you to read rule number 1. Everyone? Very good. So I hope we are clear now. So basing on the rule, who can give me an example of rule number 1? Yes, okay. And please write your answer on the board, please. Thank you, Mika. So yes, this word is correct. Okay, now I want you to take a look to another set of words. Notice, class, that they are the same set of words, but we pronounce them or we stress them in a different way. So everybody follow me. Let's read. Permit, record, increase, transfer, discount. Now, let's use our rubber bands again and try to stress them on the correct syllable. Permit, record, increase, transfer, discount. Okay, very good. So class, what part of speech is used on the second set of words? Yes, Ella? Very good. How about the number of syllables used in the following? That is correct. We also have 2 syllables. And in what syllable are the words stressed in rule number 2? Yes, Janica? Definitely. Now, who can give me the rule for rule number 2? Yes, Christine. That is right, Christine. So, everybody from row 2, I want you to read the rule for rule number 2. Okay, so remember, class, we stress rule number 2 or these words, or definitely a verb, on its second syllable. While on rule number 1, we stress them on the first syllable. Now, who can give me another example of rule number 2? Okay, yes? Yes, Mara. Okay, write it on the board, please. Present. Okay. Is Mara's example correct, class? Very good, Mara. Now, I want you to focus on rule number 3. Let's read the following words. Respiration. Modulation. Musician. Magician. Okay, obsession. Very good. Now, again, let's try to use our rubber bands. Everybody focus. Respiration. Modulation. Musician. Okay, very good. Everybody's following. Good job, my dears. Next, magician. Obsession. Okay. Now take a look at rule number 3. How many syllables are used here in rule number 3? Yes? You are correct, Marquez. Very good. Now, in what syllable are each word stressed? Anyone? Yes, Rachel? Okay, so we stress them on the second last syllable. Now, last question, my dears. In what syllable are each word ending? That is correct. They end in Sean. How about the other words? Yes. Okay. So they end in Sean as well. And last one. The word ends in rest. Yes, John. Okay, so Sean. Now, who can give me the proper rule for rule number 3? Anyone? I want to hear. Okay, yes, my dear Mara. Okay. Okay, very good, Mara. Okay, that is exactly how rule number 3 is described. Now, row 3, my dears. Please read the rule for this one. Very good. And all of you are in chorus. Now, who can give me his or her own example for rule number 3? This is very easy. Wow, a lot of you are raising their hands. But I want to hear from you. Rudolph, yes. Very good. Now next. Yes, Celine? Correct. What else? How about the words ending in Sean? Who can give me? Very quiet. I want to hear from you, Krishna. Okay, very good. Now, are we clear with rule number 3? Okay, now, let's have, last but not the least, the 4th rule. Everybody take a look in front and let's read the words. Pessimistic. Geographic. Okay, class? No, don't use your rubber bands yet. We'll use it later on, okay? But now focus. Poetic. Realistic. Okay, don't joke around. Follow me. Okay. Mechanic. Okay, very good. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, let's use our rubber bands. Ready? Pessimistic. Geographic. Poetic. Realistic. Okay, and mechanic. Very good. Now, take a look at each word again. In what syllable are these words stressed? Okay, I want to hear from you. Yes, John? Okay. Okay, they are stressed in that syllable. Now, who can guess the rule for this words? Yes? Yes, Joy? Wow, okay, what a joyful answer for Joy. Very good, Joy. And your answer is correct and related. But row 4. I want you to read rule number 4. Everyone. Very good. Now, since you know the rule already, this is the last rule, but I still want to hear some examples from some of you. So let me hear from you. Okay, I'll call randomly. I want from group 3 or row 3. Yes, Maria. Okay, very good. Another one. Yes, Jenny? Okay, is Jenny's answer right, class? Are you sure that she's right? Okay, I am just testing you. Of course, she's right. So very good, my dear, with your example. Now, do you all understand our lesson now? Coming from rule number 1 up to 4. Do you have any question? Are you sure? All right. If you don't have any question, now I have. Who can give me the 4 rules that we discussed about stress? Anyone? Okay, yes, my dear. Okay, very good. And yes, that is the end of our lesson. Now, I can give you another time, my dear, short time, okay? I want you to copy the following examples and rules for each stress. And tell me if you're done copying. Alright, class, let's have activities, okay? I want you to get 1/4 sheet of pad paper. Okay, next. Okay, for the directions, put the proper stress on each word, okay? So put the apostrophe sign, okay, on each word. I will give you 5 minutes to answer this one, and when you're ready, we will check. Do you understand? All right. Are you done, class? Okay, good. So let's start answering. Number 1, who would like to answer? Yes, Jane. Very good. How about the last one, number 10? Yes, Micah? Very good. That is also correct. Now count your scores and write your scores at the top right corner of 1/4 sheet of pad paper. Who got 10? 9. Very good as well. 8 and 7. Okay. For those who got 6 and below, better luck next time. So make sure that you will improve your score. Okay, but it does not end there. I want you to pass your papers again. Pass it forward and in front. Thank you. Let's have the next activity. Okay, and our next activity is called, will you please read, my dears? Very good. Multi-syllabic word activity or what? Okay, yes, settle down fast. Okay, next. Okay, class president, will you please read? All right, so you will be grouped, and the first group who will come in front will be announced as the winner. Do you understand? Okay, you may start answering. Make sure everyone is participating. All right, and we have a winner who is Group 1. So Group 1, kindly present the words that you've chosen. Very good, Group 1. And let's give Group 1, since they are the winner, a very good job clap. Okay, it's like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Okay, everyone, follow me again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Okay, and now let's give the others the stage also. So Group 2, present your answers. Okay, very good, Group 2. Now let's have Group 3. Good job, Group 3. Thank you very much. You all did well, class. Now, do you have any question regarding our lesson? Okay, very well. And if you don't have any question, then let's have your assignment. Next. Okay, please copy your homework and make sure that you're going to present this tomorrow, okay? Remember to focus on the rubrics as well. Are you done copying? Okay, very good. And if you're done copying, then that ends our day. Goodbye for now and see you tomorrow.